video, I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to play around with makeup today. I recently bought myself the Morphe Jaclyn Hill, the Vault. I really like it so far. Again, for those of you guys who are new to the whole Vault collection, this is called the Vault, and it comes with 4 different palettes. Each palette has like its own theme of colors. So what I wanted to do today is I wanted to take one of the palettes and I wanted to create this look for you guys. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to create like an everyday mom style kind of makeup look, because again, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't get out much. And it kind of sucks sometimes because I'm like, man, like I want to put on eyeshadow. I want to look somewhat put together and like I tried in the morning, but at the same time, I'm like, damn, like I'm not gonna go to Walmart with like a black smoky eye. Like that's just, I'm gonna look like a clown. So I wanted to show you how you can create just like a very pretty, basic, neutral kind of look using one of these palettes. So that way you guys can try it out for yourself. And again, to show you that you are able to achieve very daytime basic looks with something like this. So for today's look, I'm gonna be using this palette right here, which is the Bling Boss. I can never say that right. I'm always like Bling Boss palette. So that's what I use to create this look on my face. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be using the Bling Boss palette. Again, in the whole vault, there's 4 palettes, but this one is probably my favorite. So these are the shades in the palette, and I've already kind of played around with them, but I feel like these are the colors that I would normally like gravitate to. So this is probably the palette that I'm going to use the most frequently. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do for this everyday makeup look is I'm going to start with this color called Hush Hush. It's like a really matte, like, I don't know, like kind of like, it has some pink undertones to it, but I just think it's really pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that mostly in my crease. And again, I don't do makeup videos that often because I'm not a makeup expert. I'm not a pro by any means, but again, I'm experimenting with makeup and I want to show you guys that if I can do it with no makeup training, with just, I'm not a makeup artist, but if I can do this, then so can you. So I'm just gonna put this pretty much like all over the lid. It doesn't really matter, but I'm trying to like define like the crease, so I'm trying to make it a little bit darker in there. So I'm just gonna do that, put a little bit in the outer corners. I really like this color because I feel like, again, it's like an everyday shadow that I can use. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And that is Riley screeching over there. So seriously, like if I was just in a rush and just wanted to put on a little bit of color, I could literally walk out the house with just this shade on. I love, love, love this shade. But one of the things that I'm trying to do here is just to feel like a little bit, like I tried a little harder. And I want to feel like I just made a little bit more of an effort. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here that's called Ballsy. It's like a really pretty pink also, but it's got more of like a shimmer to it. If I wanted it to look super shimmery, I would either wet the brush, which I don't do that. Like let's not even pretend. I don't have one of those fancy things that, you know, all the makeup video people, like, you know, they spray it on their brush and now it's a wet brush. I don't do that. But I do feel like even if you just get it with a dry brush, you can get like some shinier color. So I'm gonna go in with Ballsy and I'm just gonna put that in the crease also. And I feel like it just, I don't know, just gives it like something a little bit different. So that's that. And then the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Bling Bling, which is this like shimmery shade up here. And I'm just gonna grab that with my finger. So I just kind of just pat it on my eyelid just so that it's a little bit just like shinier on the lid. It's got a really pretty shimmer. I really like how this looks. And really, like this could be it. Like this could be the extent of my eyeshadow for like an everyday kind of day. I'm not gonna do wing liner because number one, I don't know how to do wing liner. Like I fail at it miserably every single time. And with an 8-month-old, again, I just don't have time for that. So I'm trying to find ways to look put together, to look like I tried and made an effort with my makeup, but without having to spend hours or even 30 minutes on my makeup. So really, this is exactly what my makeup would look like on an everyday basis. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Again, if I wanted to be fancier, I could totally like get one of the darker shades and I could put it as like an eyeliner, like on the top, like near my lash line. But I'm not gonna do that because normally I wouldn't do that. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna use this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, which I've been really liking lately. And I am just gonna go ahead and put some of that on. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I really hate using fake lashes because I suck at applying fake lashes. But I have been experimenting with the Ardell magnetic lashes, and I really like them. They still take a little bit of practice to like get used to using them, but I do enjoy them. So I'm literally just gonna put mascara on my top and on my lower lashes. And yeah, that would honestly be it. That would be the extent of my makeup for just a day that I'm just gonna chill, be at home. I don't know, maybe I'll do a lip. Let me see if I can get like a lip color. So I actually used this yesterday and I did like it. This is a Maybelline lipstick and it's called Nocturnal Rose. I don't know, just like a regular lipstick. If I'm not going somewhere, again, I'm not even putting on lip liner. And that's it. This, to me, I feel a little bit more put together. I feel like I got up in the morning and took 10 minutes to myself, and you saw how easy that was to do. Like, it literally took me like 5 or 10 minutes. It obviously took me longer because I was showing you guys and talking to you a little bit, but like, it took 2 seconds. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this look. Let me know what your thoughts are so far on the whole vault. I've heard mixed reviews. I personally really like it. I have enjoyed using all of the shades that I have used. Again, I am not a makeup pro, so even if the shades were like super terrible, I don't think that I would really know, but it's exactly what I need for what I'm looking to achieve. Very basic, everyday looks. There are tons of funky colors in there too that I'm also gonna experiment with, but I do feel like it's got a lot of colors and I feel like it's just easy to use. So that's it. If you guys did like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.